Hey, here are the 5 items you got to look out for if you got a FHA deal before the appraiser comes out. So this is good for listing agents, buyer's agents. You just want to be prepared so that if they call these things out, you don't have to have the appraiser come back out to the house to do a reinspection. So here are the 5 things in no certain order. Number 1, smoke and CO detectors must be installed properly. Peeling paint or exterior exposed wood will need to be painted. The water heater must be strapped and secured properly. The appraiser must have access to the attic, which surprisingly, a lot of times closets are full, painted over, they can't get in. You don't want them to have to come back out there. And lastly, if the roof looks visibly in bad shape or worn out, the appraiser is going to call for roof inspection. It's got to have at least 2 years left in it. If not, repairs have to be made, but ultimately we have to provide that 2-year life expectancy certification. Any questions, give me a call, 925-400-3850, Kurt Kessler, NMLS number 365130. I'm going to have all this information in the comments, but if you have any FHA questions, VA questions, first-time homebuyer questions, or down payment assistant questions, or self-employment questions for your borrowers, give me a call, 925-400-3850. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.